How can I find the owner of an Instagram account if there is no information on the profile?
Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on finding the owner of an Instagram account when there's no information available on the profile. We'll go through a few methods to help you gather some clues about the account owner. Let's get started.
Can we find information by looking at the profile picture?
The first thing you can do is examine the profile picture. Even if there's no bio or contact information, the profile picture might provide some clues. Keep in mind that the image may not be the account owner, but it's a good starting point.
What can we learn from the account's posts?
Next, take a look at the account's posts. You might find some helpful details by analyzing the content of the posts, the captions, the hashtags used, the locations tagged, the people they interact with in the comments. These elements could give you an idea of the account owner's interests, location, and social circle.
How can we use the account's followers and following lists?
Another method is to examine the account's followers and following lists. Look for any mutual connections, as well as people who frequently engage with the account. This may provide some hints as to the owner's identity or relationships.
Can reverse image search help us?
Perform a reverse image search on the profile picture or any other images on the account. This could lead you to other social media profiles, websites, or articles featuring the same images, which could provide more information about the account owner.
Are there any third-party tools we can use?
There are third-party tools that can help you find more information about an Instagram account, such as social media search engines, username search engines, people search websites. Keep in mind that the accuracy and effectiveness of these tools can vary, and some may require payment for their services.
Is it ethical to find the owner of an Instagram account?
Before concluding, it's important to consider the ethical implications of finding the owner of an Instagram account. People have a right to privacy, and not all account owners may want their identities to be known. Make sure to respect their wishes and use the information you find responsibly. In this tutorial, we've covered several methods for finding the owner of an Instagram account when there's no information available on the profile. Remember to always be respectful and consider the ethical implications of your actions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your search.